Welcome, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel to get Olivia Addo. Today I'll be making ponytail. I made a promise to most of my contacts that I would do that. So these are the items I'll be using. This is my comb, and I have the brush, V1 brush, my echo styler, my hair cream. I have my bobbin pin. This is how it looks like. With my bobbin pin, my hair mousse. Then this is the hair I'm using. The hair is actually a weave-on human hair, precisely. That's the hair I'll be using. I'm doing it in weave-on. You can do it any other thing you want to, like maybe an attachment or whatever, but today I'll be focusing on using the weave-on. So just stay tuned. First things first, my hair is kind of overdue, so I actually added water before I rub my hair cream. So I'm just going to rub my hair cream in because I added a little bit of water in my hair. When doing this, your hair should be really relaxed. But mine is not relaxed, so I'm just going to, I used water, then I'm just going to comb it out. Okay, I want to actually style the hair through the side, so I'm just going to cut this area of my hair, sorry, on this side. I think I prefer it here. Okay, your ponytail, you can decide to do any type of ponytail. You can decide to do a high one or a low one. But for me today, I'm going to do a very high ponytail. So this is my rubber band. I'm not actually putting gel on my hair yet because I don't want too much gel. Sorry, let me just arrange you. I don't want too much gel, so I'm just going to do this. Now I'm going to apply my echo styler on my hair. Okay, I'm going to take the first hair and I just put my bobbin pin on it. Well, at this point, I'm just going to roll it over. You can see what I'm doing. Putting it there and rolling it over. Taking my time to do that. Take it and keep rolling. Carefully roll it. I'm adding the third one because I want it to be way thicker and fuller. Or you can just stop here if you feel it's okay for you. But for me, this is me doing it, so I'm just going to add it again. You can see this is what I wanted. I wanted a high ponytail. You can see the way it came out like this. So you do it at the top like that. Still like the bobbin here. Now I'm going to do that. The same thing I did. I'm just going to put it inside my hair. It's inside so that it will hook very well. So now I'm just going to turn it around. Keep turning around. It's tight. I'm drawing it so it's tight. You can see, so the bobbin pin will hold it no matter what. You just keep turning it around. Okay. Okay, now finished. And I'm bringing one part. This is just the end part. This is the end. So I'm just going to take this end and roll it inside my hair like this. So it will hold perfectly. Okay, after I've done that, to give it a perfect hold, I'm going to brush out. Come back so we can see. It's an attachment, it's not braided. The attachment is not braided. I want to cover this area. I'm just going to do it with this. Okay, you double it. Double it sweetly for you so you can go in like this. Tight around the back. Don't tie it too much so that you won't feel headache. Okay, for this area of my hair, I just want to do that out. I'm going to work with my hand there. Oh, oh, okay, that's what's up. Thank you for watching this video. I mean, this hair looks amazing. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Oh god, it's just me. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you know you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. You guys have been so supportive. Mwah, mwah.